What's good, man? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. We up in here. You already know what it is, man. Today we talking fitteds, and this one's a little special, but it's not special, but I'm a little upset because I'm one of the actual areas who has an actual hat club store in the mall, because I know they used to have a lot of them, but I think they just shut some of them down. If I'm not mistaken, there's the one by me, which is in Ontario, California, at the Ontario Mills Outlet Center. And then the next closest one I want to say, I think, is in Arizona. I think it is Phoenix, Arizona, I believe. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But for the first time in a while, I was like, let me go ahead and take a trip over there, because that mall for me is actually about, give or take, maybe an hour away from me. So, I had to actually go take care of some business when I was out over that way. So I was like, you know what? Why not swing through there while I'm waiting? You know what I mean? To go handle my business. So I actually did. And unlike most people who actually from this area in California, if you're familiar with the Ontario Mill Shopping Center, it's supposed to be an outlet mall, and it's a nice sized outlet mall. But with the word outlet, you have some stores who really don't have things at outlet prices, but they do have a bigger overstock majority of their whatever they're selling. Like you have the Levi's store there, the Adidas store there, the Nike outlet store there. So, but there'll be those stores, but they won't have that technically outlet pricing. But for me, an avid hat collector, avid hat purchaser, avid hat buyer, this actual hat club, their store was literally their outlet store. When their stuff goes on sale or gets marked down, it goes to this store. And I actually talked to, I believe he was the assistant manager there. Don't want to put his name out there like that, but I did ask him, hey, next time I come in here, if I have a little more time, can I film it here? He was cool with it. So I just thought that was dope. So of course, when I go back in there, I'm going to get some nice footage of it, because it's a nice size store. It's a nice setup, clean, everything where it needs to be if you're looking for it. Big sizes to the back, smaller sizes to the front. Whenever I tried to look for a size 8, and a lot of the ones that I did want to pick up, they actually had it. You pick up the stack, you go to the back, you got the bigger sizes. So well put together store. So definitely shout out to them. I will be going there again. But again, for the most part, we're going to get right into it, man. Hat club pickup. As you see, got the nice little bag. They got the new little logo on the side right there. You know what I mean? So let's just get right into it, man. Let's quit hesitating and procrastinating. So again, for the most part, they even put your receipt on there, nice. But yeah, for the most part, they had a sale, I believe. Don't quote me, but I believe he had two. I want to say two for 25, like 2 for 25 or 2 for 20, something like that. Or you can get 3 for, hold on, let me make sure I'm saying this right. Yeah, 3 for 40. So I went ahead and just grabbed 3 that actually caught my eye, because you know me, I'm not really just gonna buy unless, with me and my collection, how I do, if I'm buying it, I'm rocking it. Just like with kicks, I'm not buying nothing high price out there like that. If I know I'm not gonna wear it, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna rock it at some point with something. So with that being said, these 3 things caught my eye, so I went ahead and picked them up. So let's get into the first one. This one here is the San Bernardino Stampede. Very dope logo. As you see, you got their little hat club pin on there. Very dope logo. I love the maroon, how it makes the logo pop on the front. You know what I mean? This is a minor league hat. A lot of the minor league hats I'm big fans of, because I think the logos are different. They're not afraid to think out of the box when they come to them. Now, some of them are a little out of the box, but then some of them are, just, you know what I mean? They're right there where you can rock them, and you know what I mean? It's a good look, you know what I'm saying? So, and then right here, you got your New Era blended in with the maroon. I think that's kind of nice. It blends in perfect where you can still see it. You got your minor league on the back right there with your logo. And like I said, again, got your hat club pin. And like I said, this is the San Bernardino Stampede. Got your hologram up under there. Got all your sale prices and your different stickers under there. And like I said, not bad grabbing 3 for 40 bucks. I think it was, I came away with it feeling like I definitely had to come up, because nowadays one new release hat is 40 bucks. So to be able to cop 3 and 3 nice looking ones, that's a come up in my book. Now, the next one we are going to get into. All right. Now this one's a little different. but it was a nice look in my opinion. Now, honestly, I know, like I said, you know, when you buy something, you want to rock it. This one is definitely gonna have to have an outfit that's put together with it, you know what I mean, to pull it off. But like I said, it was just different. It's one of the ones, I have a couple in my collection that, you know, might be just for the collection. And this one might turn into one of them, but like I said, I'm a Cali guy, I'm an LA guy, born and raised, so had to get this one. This one is basically called the D-Lab New Era Word Mark Hat. As you see why, got the LA insignia on the side and a big ass New Era on the side of the hat. Now, to me, this pretty much, hey, if you're a New Era guy, this is probably for you. Like I said, it's super different. I mean, you could tell it was one of those concepts. I don't know if it was rushed, but it was just something that's different. I don't know why, just caught my eye, and it was on sale, so why not? It's different. Got your exclusive pin, of course. Got your traditional LA logo on the front. Got that size 8. And we're going to look at that under. Of course, you got your hologram. Of course, you got your price tag and your sticker. Got your MLB logo on the back. And you got, now to me, if you're going to do this, to me, again, this is my thing. They should have made the New Era flag in white. I just think I mean, at this point, when you come like this, you might as well just complete the circle. You might as well just made it in white. Just my opinion. Now, this one here is one of those. Definitely let me know what you think about this one. They had it in a couple of teams, but yeah, let me know what you, and actually, just funny, this hat is really heavy. It's crazy, it's really heavy. I don't know if it's because of all the thread and the thickness of how they got this in, because you see, you don't see it on the inside, so they double stitched it in, but it's really heavy. This is it's heavier than your average, you know, 5950. Probably, I'm guessing, because of this stitching. And then last but not least, now this one here, it caught my eye. I didn't know if I was gonna pull the trigger on it because I really don't have too many hats from these, well, this designer, this collab designer per se. But let me make sure I'm reading it right. It's the Donic Angel DE hat in the black and gold. Now this one I got because I actually do have a lot of kicks to go with this colorway. So, and it's different. And I didn't have any hats from this maker, from the Donic brand. You know, they've released a lot of different type of hats, like the Octo Slugger and a whole lot of different things that goes through Hat Club. And this is actually my first pickup from them. And strangely enough, this material is not like a normal, like, it's not like a traditional material like this material. It's kind of like, almost kind of like a, I want to say like a khaki cargo material. And it's fit. This one is actually really light. And what drew me to this hat actually is the underbill. The underbill is like a gray, heather gray material, which I actually have a Letterman jacket that's actually that material. So that's kind of dope. I'm a heather gray type of guy as far as, you know, sweaters and things like that. And like I said, the logo was dope to me also. And it really drew me to the hat material. It's a light feel, it's a light feather, light kind of hat feel to it. Of course, you got your Donic logo on the side, or on the back rather, and your New Era. And see, they stuck to the script. I mean, if you're gonna go with that kind of colorway, just keep it going all the way around. Put the gold New Era on the side. I think that's pretty dope. Like I said, but this underbill to me is really dope though with the gray. I like that. That's different. Traditionally, I like hats that have different colored bills or go out of the box. Of course, you got your OG, you got your green underbill. But I like when they try to stick to, you know, making a lot of the underbills different. You know what I mean? Just don't go with just because of the hat and go with a black underbill. Or you notice a lot of them go with the traditional gray ones, depending if they go with a brighter color. But again, that's just my opinion. But yeah, this is my first pickup from the Donic brand. So, you know, I feel good about the pickups. Like I said, 3 for $40, not bad. Got your Donic, got your New Era large, you know what I mean, that. And then got your Bonnet. There's a couple of more down there I got my eye on that I want to go. And as far as he let me know, their shipments come in from, I guess, wherever their warehouse is once they start hitting their markdowns every week. So I haven't been down there. Like I said, I just went there this past weekend. I'm gonna try to go there again, realistically, not this weekend, maybe the following weekend, because with more news popping off like that, I will, mark my words, will be in Labor Day weekend in Vegas. So of course that's gonna be crazy. That will be televised. Oh, that will be so televised on here. So I will be out there. So you already know what that means. It's gonna be a mall run. It's gonna be a Liz Vegas run, and more than likely, It's gonna be a Nike Outlet Vegas run. Whenever I hit Vegas, of course, if you follow my videos and you check those out, that's gonna happen. Besides the gambling and the debauchery that's gonna happen that whole weekend out there, I will stick to the script and try to get in there and look for some fitteds and some kicks, you know what I mean? Other than that, the rest of it is gonna be ugly when I get out there. Trust me, you know what I mean? I may come back a battered and beaten man depending on how much I lose, but hey, we're keeping a positive vibe, so stay tuned for that. End of the month, Labor Day weekend, Vegas run. But like I said, we gonna get out of here, man. Let me know what you think down below. 3 for $40 deal at Hat Club, Ontario Mills Outlet Center. Let me know what you think. Did I hit it out the park with these 3? Let me know what you think down below. I'm gonna get at y'all, man. I'm gonna get out here. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Just wanted to show y'all what I was able to cop and actually get into a hat store club, because of course it's rare to actually go to a hat club because there's not that many of them around. So this your boy, man. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the comments, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I'm out.